Hello and welcome to Engineering Workbench. We're excited to provide you with a few tips to work more efficiently within the platform and demonstrate the support it can provide to your workflows. Let's get going. In this short video, we'll focus on researching topics and finding answers to questions or solutions to problems, utilizing all the different research options as well as the Research Assistant application. For a project I'm working on, I need to research for information regarding corrosion. Putting in a general search term like this one will bring up lots of results. Though all the results will have something to do with corrosion, it's not easy to find the correct information this way. Using the filters on the left to narrow down the results will help somewhat. The My Subscriptions filter is a good one to eliminate all the results you cannot access. Let's be a little more specific in our search. I'm adding in the word galvanic as I want results specifically related to galvanic corrosion. Still a lot of information, but a lot less. I can additionally use Boolean operators such as and, or, not to further specify my search. Adding welds to my search is focusing my results even more. Did you know that Engineering Workbench utilizes semantic search technology? Instead of pinpointing individual keywords in a document, it's an exact concept search. A great way to truly find relevant knowledge and answers is to formulate a precise problem statement. Let's do that now. I need to understand how I can prevent galvanic corrosion from happening in the first place. So that will be my problem statement, how to prevent galvanic corrosion. Now my results are much more specific with clearly defined answers. Researching information and finding answers can be even easier though. The Research Assistant application acts as your virtual subject matter expert, reducing your research time significantly and helping you find the correct information faster so that you can complete your projects in time. Let's expand the Research Assistant now, and for the time being, let's collapse the filters. You can see that our search results are now grouped into logical categories and subcategories, pointing you to varied research directions, some that you may not have even thought about. As we ask the question, how to prevent galvanic corrosion, the first thing we see are answers to this specific question. I can click on More to find out about even more ways to prevent galvanic corrosion. This project is new to me and I'm no expert in galvanic corrosion, but I can find out a huge deal about it by simply browsing through the different categories. I can, for example, see what different definitions there are for galvanic corrosion or where it may occur. If I want to dig deeper, I can click on one of the results and all the relevant information pops up on the right-hand side. If I wanted to narrow down my results to certain content sources, for example, I could additionally choose some filters as well. If you prefer a more visual view of the results, you can change this at the top right. It's the same information, simply presented differently. And the size of the circles correlates with the number of results available. It's also good to understand that depending on your query, different categories may be visible and some will be more relevant than others. I hope you enjoyed this short introduction to the research capabilities of Engineering Workbench. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.